Hola, welcome to Fan for Spanish Materials. Today's video is going to be about talking about the good and the bad things about anything. Sometimes we want to talk about not just the good or the bad things, sometimes the beautiful thing or the hard thing or the weird thing. So, any adjective you want to put here is valid. Now, so about something, when I talk about something, I could be talking about my country, I could be talking about my school, I could be talking about this lesson even. I could be talking about living in a foreign country, right? Anything you can imagine, yeah. And then if you wanna say what is beautiful about it, what is nice about it, what is hard about it, what is difficult about it, then we are gonna use this expression. So the first thing we're going to use is the word lo, right? Here. Then we're going to put the adjective, yeah, like the good, the bad, the difficult. And we don't have to use the word thing. We don't use it. We just use the adjective. After that, we can specify uh, about what we're talking about. Yeah, like the good thing about my country is, or the good thing about my school is, about the bad thing about uh, living in a foreign country is. So here we can specify about the thing we are talking about, and then we have to use the verb to be. This is a yes or yes because we say is, right? And then after the verb to be, yeah, there are three different options. Um, One could be a noun, yeah, like the good thing about living in Brazil is the food. So the food is a noun, right? That will be the first example. Uh, the good thing about living in Mexico is we can put a verb here. Is living next to the beach. Okay, that will be another option to put a verb, right? But also we can put a sentence. Yeah. Uh, for example, the good thing of living in Mexico is that people are very nice. You see, and this is that is the word que. This one here. Yeah. So the good thing about living in Mexico is that people are, yeah, very nice. So as you can see here, like people are, this verb conjugated, very nice. So that's it. You have three different options. So que is when you use the that is that blah 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 blah. And if you put a verb, is when you put in like the nice thing about living in Mexico is living by the beach. So it's like it's just the verb itself, on its own. And if it's just a thing, you just put a noun, yeah? Let's have a look at examples here. Lo lindo de viajar es que hay sorpresas continuamente. Like the beautiful thing of traveling ah, is that there are surprises continuously. Y lo peligroso es perder los documentos. And the dangerous part or the dangerous thing is to lose the documents, yeah, de viajar. Lo peligroso de viajar is the same sentence. Another one, lo normal es ducharse todos los días. Sometimes you don't have to say about what. If you don't mention this, the like about what, then it's going to become something very general, like about life, like something really general, right? So, lo normal es ducharse todos los días. So, this is like the normal thing is to take a shower every day. I'm not talking about something specific. I'm talking about everything in general, life, right? So, yeah, lo normal es ducharse todos los días. The normal thing is to take a shower every day, right? Exactly. So I'm not specifying about what. That means is in general about everything, in life general. Lo raro es tener muchas semanas de vacaciones. Again, here I'm not talking about what? So it's in general. So it's about life. Like the weird thing is to have a lot of weeks of holidays. And yeah, that's weird. That would be the weird thing. Normally, people have not many weeks of holidays. Um, here in Japan, lo común es comer mucho pescado. Here, I'm talking about what I'm talking about. Yeah, like in Japan. Yeah, it's about Japan. Yeah, in Japón, lo común es comer mucho pescado. Like the common thing is to eat a lot of fish. Yeah, I could have also said lo común de Japón es comer mucho pescado. Yeah, so it's like lo común de Japón es comer mucho pescado. Yeah, is to eat a lot of fish. Verb infinitive. Yeah, yeah, it's the same thing, but this when in the at the beginning, like this part was switched. Okay, lo malo de ser millonario es la inseguridad. The bad thing of being a millionaire is that it's not safe, the insecurity. So yeah, you're not like that. Yes, that's true. It depends on where you are, though, but yeah. Lo increíble de Colombia son las montañas. Here, we are using a noun, but it's plural. It's interesting. Look, lo increíble, right? Lo increíble de Colombia, about Colombia, are the mountains. Son las montañas. So here, I'm using this one here. Um, lo difícil son los problemas. The difficult thing like is the problems, but we have to put here some because it's the problems. Lo bueno de vivir cerca del mar son los mariscos y la brisa. Like the good thing about living close to the ocean are the seafood and the breeze. By the way, here lo bueno de algo, eh, if you have a verb in infinitive, you don't put son. You always put just s. Okay, it's just a correction I have to put here. Yeah, because you cannot use the word son after a verb in infinitive. Yeah, it has to be a verb. Yeah, and the noun is the one here. Yeah, so sorry. So if it's a verb in infinitive, you're gonna use only s. And if it's a noun, it depends. It could be s or son, depending if it's singular or plural. Like we can see it here. Yeah. So that will be it. Yeah, the good thing of living in the like close to the ocean. Lo bueno de vivir cerca del mar. Sí, son los mariscos, sí, la brisa, el clima, la comida. Yeah, me encanta el mar. Okay, so that's how you use this. And think about this. What is the what is the hard thing about learning Spanish? And what is the good thing about learning Spanish? Think about it. How to practice this? Not difficult. Just well, you use flashcards. Yeah, also notes and writing. And here we're gonna talk about the good and the bad things about living in a foreign country, um, and try to add also like adjectives, not just good and bad. You can say the interesting thing is, or the bizarre thing is, the boring thing is, or the weird thing, the difficult thing is. So just play with different adjectives, not just the good and the bad. Yeah. So that will be it. Have fun and see you in the next video. Thanks for watching. Hasta luego. Muchas gracias. Bye bye.